Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your USAA Bank with the OnePay app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got started using the OnePay app and you want to go ahead and use your USAA Bank to fund it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, click on your profile icon on the upper right-hand corner, then click on Account, then click on Linked Accounts, then click on Linked Bank Account. Now it's going to take you to Plaid. Simply click on Get Started, and then from here, click on Continue as Guest. Then on this page here, find your USAA Bank. So USAA Bank is right over here, so click on that. Then it's going to prompt you to log into your USAA Bank, where you can select which accounts you want to connect with the OnePay app. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your USAA Bank with the OnePay app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.